Hello, welcome to my Boyax TV channel. Today we are going to discuss how to use picked and pick up. You know guys, in using pick and pick up, it depends upon the object that you're going to get. No? Because according to the definition, when you use pick up, meaning to say, you are using your force, meaning to say you are using your hands. That is why when you say, pick up the pieces of paper, that is wrong. Why? Because pick up is you're using your hands because the object is heavy. So the correct term for that is, do not say, pick up the pieces of paper, but you have to say the correct one, which is pick the pieces of paper. Because pick, meaning to say you are only using your fingers. For example, if you are going to pick a piece of paper, so you're using your fingers, not already your hands. But when you get heavy object, just like stone or box or whatsoever, you're using your hands. Then that's the time you're going to use pick up. Okay? Again, I reiterate my my lesson. You are going to use pick if the object that you're going to get is light. No, you're using your fingers to get that. For example, a paper. But when you see pick up, meaning to say you are already using your force because the object is heavy, just like stone, box, or whatsoever. Guys, I hope you're not confused of using pick and pick up. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something from me, and good day.